I'm John Hawk, and this is my ME116 Final Instrument project. Basically what it is this is an aluminum pot down at the bottom that's been cut down to about a third of its height. The top of the pot was epoxied down to the base. This is an airtight seal. Out of the top of the lid, we have this 2-foot-long aluminum pipe, and then around the circumference we have these bronze rods. And these are the actual tuned portion of the instrument. Their lengths are set up based on the 12th root of 2 formula used for equal temperament. So there are two ways that I've discovered to play this. The first, which is the one I originally intended when I built the instrument, was with a bow. Basically you can bow along the sides of these rods that gives you this nice long sustained note. In addition to that, you can just hit them. It's easier if I have mallets. I don't really have mallets. The interesting thing about playing it with a bow is, depending on where you bow it along the height of these, you get different harmonics. So if I bow up here about a third of the way up, I get this really low note. You might not even be able to hear that, actually. And if I bow down here, I get a really high note. And of course, in between, I get intermediates. That actually makes the range of this instrument pretty wide. I'm not sure exactly, because I don't know how high I can get it. But it's at least 3 octaves, which I thought was pretty impressive, considering when I originally built it, I just thought it'd be able to play the 12 notes corresponding to the lengths of these 12 rods. The actual fundamental frequencies of these rods are actually subsonic. You know, if I pluck them at the end here, you can see this vibration is way below the 20 or 30 hertz that would be the lower end of the human hearing range. So the way it's sort of played is I rest it on my lap and bow it while turning it, or just sort of hit it all around. There's also some water in the base here. Now this was a suggestion I got out of a instrument that was explored in our textbook, and the water gives the instrument a modulative effect. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but if you can hear that there, when I bow a note and then alter the orientation of the instrument, we get sort of a modulation in the pitch. That's because the plane of the water in there, which is the thing doing the vibrating in contact with air, is just shifting its position and orientation relative to where this pipe is. So I guess that's it. I guess thank you guys for watching. Sorry I couldn't be here to show this off in person. Have a good break.